Auto World, your ultimate destination for in-depth car reviews and insights. Today, we take a closer look at the 2025 Subaru Ascent, a three-row SUV designed to offer space, safety, and capability for families who love adventure. The 2025 Subaru Ascent continues to build on its strong reputation as a reliable and versatile midsize SUV. Designed for large families, it provides 3 rows of seating with ample room for up to 8 passengers. The cabin layout is both practical and comfortable, featuring premium materials, soft touch surfaces, and an intuitive dashboard with updated technology. The large touchscreen infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making connectivity effortless. Additionally, the available premium trims come with features like ventilated front seats, a panoramic sunroof, and high-quality leather upholstery for added luxury. Under the hood, the Ascent retains its well-known 2.4-liter turbocharged boxer engine, delivering 260 horsepower and 277 pounds-feet of torque. The CVT transmission provides a smooth driving experience, and Subaru's Symmetrical All-Wheel Drive system ensures exceptional traction on various terrains. Whether you're driving through city streets or tackling rougher landscapes, the Ascent remains stable and composed. With a towing capacity of up to 5,000 pounds, it's a great option for those who need to haul trailers, boats, or small campers. Subaru is widely recognized for its focus on safety, and the 2025 Ascent continues to excel in this area. It comes standard with Subaru's EyeSight driver assist technology, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and pre-collision braking. The enhanced safety package now features an improved surround view camera system and available driver attention monitoring, helping prevent accidents before they happen. Families will also appreciate the rear seat reminder system, ensuring that passengers or belongings are never accidentally left behind. One of the standout qualities of the Ascent is its ride comfort. Thanks to a well-tuned suspension, road imperfections are absorbed effectively, making long drives more enjoyable. Road noise is minimal, and the cabin remains quiet even at highway speeds. The steering is light but responsive, making it easy to maneuver despite its size. Fuel efficiency is competitive for its class, with an estimated 20 to 26 miles per gallon, depending on driving conditions. For those who love outdoor adventures, the Ascent is ready for anything. Its 8.7 inches of ground clearance, along with X-Mode and hill descent control, makes off-road excursions more manageable. Whether you're navigating through snowy roads, muddy trails, or steep inclines, Subaru's AWD system proves to be highly capable. Overall, the 2025 Subaru Ascent is a well-rounded SUV that caters to families looking for space, safety, and versatility. It blends practicality with Subaru's signature ruggedness, making it an excellent choice for those who need a dependable daily driver with weekend adventure capabilities. While it may not have the most aggressive styling in its segment, its functionality, reliability, and safety features make it a top contender in the three-row SUV category. If you're in the market for a spacious and adventure-ready SUV, the Ascent is definitely worth considering. Stay tuned to Auto World for more expert reviews on the latest vehicles.